Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to go through this new feature that Canva has where you're able to create foldable cards. So whatever type of card it is, your birthdays, your special events, Canva is now allowing you to make the cards right here, and they look pretty nice. So today I just want to go through this feature, show you how to use it, and give you different options in terms of how you want your final product to end up. Okay, so we're going to jump right into it. So I'm here in Canva. I'm just going to use this search and type folded card. And let's go with portrait. And right off the bat, you're able to choose the different templates. So let's go with this one. I like this one. Or, hold on. I like this. You're officially getting older. So again, one of the greatest things about Canva, maybe this is the first time you're watching a video about it, is that it gives you templates that you can work with. They look good right out the box, and all you have to do is personalize it and make it your own. So now, I'd be sending this to a couple of my friends. We don't like getting older, and I just like to remind them that we are. So let's, I guess, basically to me, this works. But let's say you wanted to make some changes. You're able to change the font. So highlight the font. They have the luckiest guy here, but let's say you want something different. You're able to adjust fonts as you like. You don't like what you see, you can always hit the undo button here. And we're right back to where we started. So maybe you want to change the colors. That's another great thing in Canva gives you. You can change the blue, make it pink, make it purple, whatever it is. Not seeing a color in the default section, hit new color, and you're able to kind of color pick and go through the options here. Or if you have the code, which I should know what this is, the palette number, it could be wrong. I'm possibly wrong calling that palette number right now, but I know if you have this code, you're able to put it in. So sometimes it's, probably not for a birthday card, but if you have a precise color that you're going for, you can definitely enter it here. So let's go back to something kind of blue, kind of crazy. And then you're able to add text. So sometimes I take the lazy route and just kind of copy the text that's already here and then use it since it's already in the theme. But you're also able to add text by coming over here to your left, hit text, add a subheading, or you're able to choose from the multiple options here, and you're always able to edit anything. So if there's anything that you should love about Canva, is that it does give you so many options to do so much custom work, and even from templates you can come up with something very unique. So let's put, a name. Let's say, congratulations, Dean. You're officially getting older. Older. Age is just a number, right? Maybe I want the Dean to be a different color. So I'll go to the text option here and, now it's blending in. Let's make that like a bright yellow. So of course, it really couldn't be any simpler than this. It's already in the layout that it needs to be. What I will end and show you is that there's certain things you can do. So let's say maybe you want to keep this digital. Maybe you want to send this in like an email or send it like a video. You're able to do that because Canva gives you different options to download. So you're able to download in PNG. I always talk about that. PDF, so you can give it as a PDF file. And then the interesting one here is video. So because I have Canva Pro, and if you're interested in it, I have a link right here in this video description. You can try the Canva for free, but if you want to take the next step, then you can definitely try Pro. And Pro gives you this beautiful animate button, which I love. It just gives you that extra oomph. And I've done so many things with this animate section, and I plan to do videos even with my own videos, I've created effects through Canva Pro. So let's say you wanted to put some spice to your birthday card, you could add an animation. And now your card is animated. This is what it looks like. And I think it's going to show the second page. Boom. But we didn't animate the second page. So we can choose a different type of animation for the second page. It's, something like that. So now if we play it, there you go. So from the top, congratulations, team, ba 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 ba. And there you go. So it's the full thing. So just imagine like getting this in your email as a video. And if it's a video, you can send it anywhere, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. So it's a really cool thing to do. Canva gives you this ability to animate, but only in Canva Pro. And again, I do have a link that I'm sharing that you can start with your trial, try Canva, and you're going to love it. And of course, take the next step if you're interested in, like, for example, animation, and get Canva Pro. One thing too is that since you're going to go digital, you can add music. So we're going to hit more here, hit the music option, and we can find something to play. Let's choose something happy. That's what that sounds like. Oh, let me pull it over. So now you have some music that you can add to your card. So if we play the video, that's pretty cool. So now you can send this card off as is, use it however you feel, through your email, send it to, Facebook, send it to this person, make them feel special that you took the time to make this beautiful digitized card for them. So this is cool, but maybe you're old school. Maybe you want to send your card, an actual printed card to that person. Now Canva does allow you to do that. What you do is come over here to your right, hit print folded cards, and they'll deliver to you. So I'm in Canada and it delivers. I'm pretty sure it delivers in the States. I don't know how it does internationally, but for us here in Canada, we're able to print. They'll give you different page selections, like paper selections, so premium or deluxe, depending on what you want. Different finishes, cool. You can get gloss, you can get uncoated or matte. And you can do a different amount of copies, and it looks like there's some kind of deal going on right now, which is great. But you're sending one copy, so we'll just do one. And of course, you pay your shipping however you want. Standard shipping is free. It's cool. You can get envelopes too. That's great. Hit continue, and then that card is sent to wherever you want to send it. So I'm not going to hit continue. I'm not sending it off. But basically, it's good. There are two ways you can make your cards here in Canva. You can do a digital copy of it or an actual printed copy, whatever works for you. So I'm glad that I got to show you this feature today. I hope that you learned something. I learned something new. This is a new feature. It's something you can try. And with us all being at home even now with COVID-19, it's a good way to still interact with our friends and family, even though we can't always physically give them something. The digitized card is perfect for that. So I hope you got something valuable from this video. I cannot end without asking you to please subscribe. I do provide content like this every week, Mondays and Wednesdays, and I'm here to just go through software, show you things that you can do, sometimes free, sometimes it's not. But I do hope that you're at least learning new options that are out there for you. So of course, I never end without saying thanks for watching.